Hi everybody, Mark Owsiany once again with Safe Antifreeze. Today we're coming to you from the Tall Pines up in northern Arizona. Today I'm standing here with Safe Race team member and team leader, Tom Brown. What we've got with us today is we've got the Safe Antifreeze Coolant Cleaning Flush Tablets. We're going to show you how this universal product works in multiple applications. So what Tom is going to do while he's out practicing for the Enduro team is he's actually going to be doing a radiator flush and doing a complete coolant system clean while he trains. So I'm going to let Tom explain to you why coolant and radiator flush is so important and it should become part of the routine maintenance of your bike. Tom?
He's correct. People with their bikes service oil, air filters, spark plugs, chain lube, all that stuff. They neglect the cooling system. And cooling systems fail with the water pumps, the seals. We've seen that. It's because of corrosion. So this product is what we use to keep these systems clean and not to fail.
Tom, explain to me why the coolant system in our Husqvarna is so important to keep that thing corrosion free, you know, keep all those inhibitors out of it. How do we do that, and why is that so important?
Well, all modern two-strokes, new and old, once again, have a radiator system and it works off a water pump system. These bikes too tend to get hot. That's what starts to cause some problems in them. And by cleaning them and flushing them on a routine basis, keeps them performing at their best.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to show you how safe and easy it is to use the Safe Coolant Cleaning Tablets in your motorcycle. So I'm going to open a package up here, I'm going to give them to Tom, and he's going to take care of the rest.
Let's do this. It's easy to do.
Here you go, Tom.
There you go. Pretty simple process. Drop them in your radiator. Put the lid back on. Just put a couple hours on your bike. When you get home that night, flush it, let your system clean, and refill it, and you're good to go.
Now that we've got the Safe Coolant Cleaning Tablets into the cooling system on the bike, Tom's going to go do some training, and he's going to be cleaning his cooling system while he's at it. Tom, go get him.
In a couple hours. I'm good to go.
Good to have fun, bud. Well, Tom, welcome back. How'd it go?
Pretty good. A couple hours out there. I'm out of gas. It's end of the day for us. Time to take the bike back and flush our system out and rejuvenate it. And I think we're going to be good to go.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you for joining us today from the Pines up in northern Arizona. Once again, go to safeantifreeze.com or go to Amazon. Order up some Safe Coolant Cleaning Tablets right now. Get your bike some maintenance that it needs.
Okay.